Don't be deceived by the size. Tiny closets can pack a punch. Just because they might be short on space does not mean small closets can't offer clever storage solutions. Here's how to make the most of your tiny closet with some fresh IKEA hacks. 1. Pick pieces that fit your dimensions as close to perfectly as possible. A big key to maximizing your small space is making the most of its dimensions. We used 3 IKEA Trofast units for this video-worthy small storage closet. To give it a custom look, we painted them the same color as our closet walls. That attention to color matching really takes this hack to the next level. 2. Move a dresser into the closet for extra folded storage. This is a closet door you definitely want to leave open. To maximize the space in small closet, chose to add in the IKEA Tarva dresser because of its deep drawers. 3. Make mirrors do double duty. A lot of closets contain a mirror on the door. A lot of closets contain jewelry collections. Why not combine them? There was a decent amount of space behind it, and decided to put it to good use by storing her jewelry collection behind it. That it looks like a regular mirror on the outside, but when you open it, it is all your treasures behind it. 4. Mix up drawers and shelves to maximize functionality. We use the IKEA Pax wardrobe holds space for drawers, multiple closet rods, shelves for books, as well as a little getting ready area with a mirror and hair ties, all while looking absolutely adorable. 5. DIY a custom closet with bookshelves. Is there anything the Billy bookcase can't do? Every inch of closet space is utilized and every single item has its own designated spot. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.